Hi, welcome back to Robin Bits and Pieces, and I'm going to show you today how to move a cattle panel tractor. I'm hoping I've got this on me. The sun's so bright I can't see the screen. Without putting the tires on it. I'm only 5 foot tall and about 125 pounds, and it was just really too hard to move the tractor by myself, and I really didn't want to put the tires on it because that would have required lifting one corner at a time so I could move it. So I want to show you what I've come up with. First I need to put the goats away. I bought the wheels, but I thought that it would make it weaker by drilling holes into it. So I'm going to show you how I do it. When I was editing this video, I realized that I did not turn the camera on when I was actually moving the cattle panel tractor, and I'm just going to talk you through it. Like I said, I'm only 5 foot tall, I'm 125 pounds, and to be creative, you can get things done. By putting this up on the little cart on the other side with the wheels on it, it literally lifts 3 sides of this cattle panel tractor off the ground, so there's not much resistance. And I'm just going to kind of show you what I did and not actually do it. Last night said this would be a little bit heavier, but I leaned down and I grabbed this side, raise it up just like I did putting it on the cart, and push. And it takes no effort. And then when I'm done, I go around to the other side and I just simply raise the little cart up by the handle and it slides right off. I hope this video helped you, and I apologize. It was hot yesterday. The sun was shining. The lens fogged up, as you noticed at the beginning. And join me in a couple weeks where I've got a bigger project to show you.